Have you seen how much sugar is in soda? One can has about 39 grams of sugar. So how much is that? Well, here is a 12-ounce can of soda, and if you added the sugar, it would fill it up to about here. Sugar is the devil, so stay away from it as much as you can. So here is a hack to get a refreshing beverage without all the sugar. Fill your glass with your favorite sparkling water and take a bottle of H2wOw Natural Water Enhancer, which comes in 4 exciting flavor combinations: watermelon honeydew, cucumber lemongrass, lemon mint, and lime ginger. Just flip the cap and give it a couple of squirts to taste. It's that simple. Plus, it only has 3 calories and added electrolytes to help keep you hydrated. And H2wOw has no artificial colors, flavors, preservatives, or sweeteners like the other brands. So create your own healthy, low-calorie and low-cost beverage made with real fruit extracts and ingredients that you can feel good about. Visit H2wow.com for more info or go to Amazon to purchase online.